Hello. Hello, little crayfish. Right, I've had a shave. I look young.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi. This is for the vlog, this is, Matt. Trying to put your hat on. Right, we're just leaving to go to France now. How you feeling, Matt?
I'm feeling excited and I can't wait to get there. We've got a long journey ahead of us. I think, what was it, 8.5 hours?
Yeah, something like that,
providing all goes well on the way. We're going to have a stop for some bite to eat on the way to go.
Oh yeah, I feel like we're going to be really hungry. So we're not doing any filming on the way there because it's boring when I watch other videos. No, that's it. Next time you see us, we'll be at Cretelakes. Now that's Carpy.
That's Carpy.
I've named this boat Tallulah. I'm going to be getting inside her a few times this week. I went out in the boat earlier. Old Tallulah. I went out in a... found some spots. Just spots without weed, to be honest. If I go further, there is a bit of a plateau, but I'm encroaching on the swim over there, I think. So I've come short. So yeah, I think it's more the morning spell when you're going to catch the fish. I've got one on a zig on the right hand rod, about here, and then I've got one on a snowman, one on proven baits, match the hatch wafter. So I'm not overly confident with the spots, to be honest, but we'll see what happens in the morning. If I don't catch, there's 5 lakes, on this complex. This is Cretelakes. So there's five lakes to go at. There's probably, I think there's 60 swims, probably about 40 blokes here. So you've at least got some options to move about if you want to. So if I don't catch in the morning, I'll probably have a look around. I've got a boat with me. I'll have a little scout around, see if I can find some fish on some other lakes. All the lakes hold 50s, 60s, 70s, and 2 of them, including the one I'm on now, has 80s in, or an 80 in. This one and lake 1. I'm on lake 5 currently. So yeah, I hooked a coot this morning on the zig. I was just walking over to my mate Matty next door, and I had the bobbin lift and then the bobbin hit the floor, and I thought, yes, I'm in here. So I've gone back, I picked it up, and I hooked a coot in the leg. So I managed to get that in, free it up. That was sorted. So yeah, nothing as yet, but like I said, it's only early days, so I'm confident of catching anyway, for definite. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Hi fans, here we are at Cretelakes, first hook up of the session. Hopefully the first of many.
First of many.
It is 8 minutes past 8 on Sunday morning. We've been here just under 24 hours, and it's a hard first day. Journey is a long journey through the night, so everyone's a bit exhausted when you get here for the first day. It's a bit of a mess about day, but yeah, we've got our fishing heads on now today, and beautiful morning. It's going to be another hot one, and yeah, we're into our first fish, so see what happens.
How does it feel?
It feels like it's plodding. It's picked up a fair bit of weed, look. Oh, it's a little common. Having a common out of here is quite rare. I think this lake does hold the most common, but this is a tiny bit by the state standard. If we get it. Got him. Yes. We're off the mark. Yes. First fish of the session, 34.6.
No, 35.
36.4.
36.4, yeah.
36.4. Here we go. It's a lovely comment.
Yeah. And your muscles look good.
Yeah.
Yes, well done, mate.
Yeah, sound. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus Christ, that was a wild boar. Whoa, you fucker! Fuck's sake! Come on, just let me relax. For fuck's sake.
Alright, viewers, so I'm gonna do a little rig piece. Sat in my boxers, 32 degrees, so I'm gonna keep the camera panned up for you. Right, so starting from the bait end, yellow little pop-up topper, proven baits wafter on a shod size 6 hook, D-rig style IQ2, with a sinker and anti-tangle sleeve, which will obviously be up there, and then a figure of 8 loop knot just to tie it off, just for the quick link, sorry, so I can just link it on and off. This one, I can't remember what this one's called. I've used it for years. It's just a hook, what they're called now. No, I'm alright, mate. Nah, I'm doing a video. I'm trying. Yeah, so I think this one's called a German, or if I remember rightly, I don't know, can't remember. So yeah, it is just a hook ring swivel, hook bead, size 6 wide gape with an aligner liner, which I've pierced just there, just to keep the gape open a little bit. Bait wise, pink topper, proven baits wafter, down to sinker, down to anti-tangle sleeve again. That's IQ2, and the D-rig was IQ2 fluorocarbon. One that's maybe a little bit different. It's that same rig as the last one, I don't know if it's called the German, I can't remember. Yellow topper, proven baits wafter again. But this is just uncoated braid. The idea is it's just going to sit basically curled up on itself. So hopefully when the fish sucks in, there's plenty of movement there. So if I catch on one, one of the colours. I shall swap them all over to the same colour. So I lost one this morning and had a run, picked up nothing there. So if that wasn't the case, I would have moved. Nah, I'm alright, mate, Tar. Nah, I would have moved. But because that happened, I'm gonna stick it out another night. I've got a nice spot going. I'm putting all 3 rods on the one spot, so I'm hoping I can get a winkle of fish out or 2 by the morning, because then I won't have to move. So if not, I'm gonna have to have a look around, but all of the lakes are fishing pretty hard at the minute, so it's whole bird, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, keep you updated. Matty, £60 PB. Yes.
Get some shots now without the
Ready? Big splash.
Tackle box time.
Tackle box time.
This is the little bit we've added in that we're going to go through each other's tackle boxes.
It's fucking go through mine. Size 4 chads. Look at the size of them. Fucking bad boys. I'm going to be bleeping out that, I swear, yeah.
Size 4 chads there. Not a bad rig to use. Size 4 is quite big though, ain't it? What kind of pop-up would you put on that? An 18?
I suppose you get people
It
put
probably
fucking
tell
size
ya.
4.
It tells you. No. So I'd use a size 4 chad. It's a big pop-up, that is.
Oh, so these are curve shank. Curve shank size 4. What are they? Are they ESPs? They're the ones that
ESPs,
get old,
yeah.
aren't
You don't like them?
I
I
don't
do.
know.
You've got.
they? No, I didn't. I put them back.
What have we got there?
Barbless spinner.
Barbless spinner.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, that's out of my barbell kit.
Oh.
Running rig. Running rig, that is.
Put 2 of these.
Well, we've got 2 of the same. Swapsies.
Yeah, because I want to. Oh no, that's spinners, that isn't it? I want some chads. Did I give you the chads?
They're in this bag.
Oh.
Mate, we're in a whole new world now. How's your drink anyway?
Very, very strong, mate. Ready in one.
Mate, you look like a carp. Is that your carp face?
Oh yeah, the cog system.
Oh,
We was just saying this is an impulse buy. I wrote them and never used them. Have you used them?
never. It's never been out of the packet. I think I
I
bought
reckon.
them.
Do you know when you cast them, I feel like they're definitely prone to tangle. But I think in the edge.
I think I've seen Danny Fairrash using them. I'm thinking tackle, and all they are is about marketing, aren't they? But they're bloody good at marketing because I bought them.
Never used them.
Never used them, but apparently they're good for dropping in the margin. But I don't think it makes a blind bit of difference where the lead is picked up from, do you?
No, because you know the underwater, you've seen it where they pick it up. And look at the camera. Do you know who does that? Like a percentage or something.
What, they look in the camera?
Yeah. Yeah, when the fish pick, you know the underwater, when they pick it up.
Shall I tilt it up a bit so it gets to the top of our heads?
I
Yeah?
think it's just what's the name in town. Man, I've caught the sun, haven't I?
Yeah. That's what happens when you sit in the sun all day. Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah. They look hooked before they're even hitting the lead.
What are?
Fish. It's when they're shaking, that's when they're getting the lead, aren't they?
Yeah.
Have you watched the underwater DVD?
Should we do a few reviews on some items we've got here with us today?
Go on then.
What you're sat on? How would you review
Oh,
that?
the moon chair.
The moon chair.
Awesome. Is this the extra large one?
Let's
Look how
rate-
white I am compared to you.
Let's rate it on different things. So first of all, let's rate it for its practical use. It's a chair.
What's it like for carrying around?
No, first thing, is it comfy?
Oh yeah, it's really comfiest chair I've sat in.
Does it feel like it's swallowing you up?
Yeah. Feels like I can sleep in it.
You get your leg up like that, you can do all sorts in that.
Yeah.
Second thing we're going to rate it on is looks. Do you reckon it looks alright?
It looks like the moon.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got a pocket.
Yeah, you got pockets.
Next thing, practicality. Is it practical?
Is it practical? I don't know. I haven't carried it around. What's it
It's
like?
quite big to fold up.
Is it?
I wouldn't say it's too
Have
practical.
you got a
but-
bag for it?
Yeah, there's a bag for it with a shoulder strap.
Yeah.
So,
So you can
but
carry it around.
what chair is practical to carry
No,
around?
red one,
See,
they
this
say
is
there.
another carp chair, which I'm in here, which is the Nash Daddy Long Legs. Lovely chair, but no chair's easy to carry, really,
Nah,
is
not
it?
really. No.
Saying that, this chair, you put it on a barrow, and it sits flat. What are you laughing at?
What does this do? Going to like a ball?
No, folds up into a long like sausage. It folds up like a bivvy. Maybe we should show the viewers.
Well then.
I'll quickly show you, everyone.
Oh, well, I upped myself in the foot as well.
Practicality. There you go. Look, so, watch this. There you go.
Is that it? Is that how big it falls?
That is it.
That's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah, but it goes in the bag, a bit like a bivvy bag, and then to set it up's good.
Oh. What about adjusting legs and that?
No adjustment on the legs.
No. No, not at all.
How much is it?
£100.
On the nose?
100? No,
Not
I was
more.
giving it as a gift from my lovely girlfriend for my birthday, so I'm sure it was £100, but I'll tell you what, it's one of the best gifts I've had. This is one of the gifts I got. Oh, yeah. Tell you what, I want one of them next time, so if you're watching, Jodie, put it on the list. Yeah. What else was we going to review that on? So we've done.
Oh yeah.
Practicality. Never mind.
I'm glad it went, to be honest.
Practicality, looks, affordability. I think we've covered everything there.
Affordability's not too bad for £100, is it?
I think it's.
You sure this is the extra large? This is the extra large one?
There isn't
I know
different
they're doing-
sizes.
There is.
Google Look on the label.
I know. There's my phone.
Are you looking for your phone?
To Google it?
No, I don't think there's any size. I reckon it's just one size fits all.
Nah, there is different sizes, mate.
Next chair we're going to review today is this. This is the Nash Daddy Long Legs. I'll go off it so you can have a look. And I'll also tilt the camera around slightly. So, it is quite a comfy chair though, to be honest.
Sit in it, Kieran. I don't think you've sat in it
Is
yet.
it?
I have.
Oh, I was sat in it when Paul was saying he didn't have these, remember?
Yeah.
So with this chair, you've got the very, very good adjustable legs. Here comes a bailiff to ask us about if we've got any corn, which we haven't. Somebody got told off for using corn earlier.
Yeah.
Wasn't us.
It wasn't me.
So yeah, they're a right corny bugger. We got caught.
Corned.
So yeah,
How white I am, mate.
what do you think to that? I
Chair?
think it's comfy, mate. Comfy? Yeah, I think for reclining like you was earlier. So that one, because this is just a fixed chair, that one goes back all the way. It's got padded arms. The legs are a brilliant system. Jump up. The legs. We've got the Nash shooting system, look. Ready? See that? Which is brilliant.
Wicked, that is.
So-
How does it do that? Oh, spring loaded, isn't it?
Spring loaded legs, yeah, so all you do is you just hold the chair on an uneven ground, for instance, and then you just press that.
Maybe you'll get sponsored by Nash after this.
Very good, very good. I've got
Very
to
good,
say,
very nice.
the Nash stuff is very good. We also have here with us tonight is the Nash Titan Bivvy. This one's probably 8 years old. Very good bivvy that. So anyway, we're going straight off the subject. Really, this was actually called tackle box time. So we go back. This is the bit where we go through each other's tackle box and just see what are we going to use and what is going to be practical. So,
Very good, very nice.
yeah, here's your bag.
Is this all hooks?
This is overspill.
All these look like good ones, don't they?
What is it?
Size 12.
Oh, the old animal hook. Any of you carp anglers over there from your early days, you will remember the Camazon animal hook. Good strong hook
hell.
they are.
Tiny.
I grew up on them. Size 12, size 10s. Eyed. That's way before the quarter days.
Yeah, I think the max I used to use was size 10.
Size
In the
10,
junior-
yeah?
in the junior
I remember when a
matches.
size 10 was a massive hook.
It was a massive hook.
Yeah. When we used to do
Mate,
our
they
match
are
fishing,
sharp, they
they're
are,
brilliant.
aren't
Do you know what I used to use them for? Floating dog biscuits.
they? Yeah,
They're a brilliant hook, they are.
sharp, eh?
Really good. They when we used to fish our matches, it used to be like size 14. Oh,
Yeah,
another
yeah.
fish. Oh, look at that, head and shoulders out. Maybe we should turn the camera around and show the viewers the lake.
lake.
You're deciding up what you can nick out of there, aren't you?
I've already ordered the chuds up, mate. Where have they gone now?
Oh, you'll never find them now. So some right impulsive stuff in there, I must say.
What
Like
is
that,
this?
for
Oh,
instance.
hook beads.
What breeds, yeah. What's that?
This is what he likes to do. Leave one. One thing in there, one sleeve.
But what are you going to do with one? You ain't just going to throw one. Look, I paid £1 for that.
How many did you get in there? It's got to be 10.
20, it says on the back.
20? Where?
That must have been from like 1990s. £1 for 20 anti-tangle sleeves.
Yeah, you won't get that now. It's a £5 for everything.
Oh, I'm the kind of guy who puts... I even put my baiting needles back in the packet. So you're going to put it all back away the way it was? That's tackle time, viewers.
That's coffee.
We're on day 4. Still no fish. Yeah, it looks promising and I'm more confident. So I'm not going to unpack everything because people have gone up to the other side of the lake because there are some fish showing there now, but there's still fish in this area. So the weather conditions haven't changed. They're exactly the same as it was before. And there are still fish here. So yeah, just the spots. I took the boat out. There's a bar just here. Just like a little raised plateau, only, I don't know, 6 foot or 6 foot, something like that. So I've stuck one rod on there, one rod on there with a washed out yellow wafter, little 12mm, and I've trimmed it down into a barrel shape so the hook just sits on the flat on the deck. Put a bag on, some crushed boilie, and then the other 2 spots are just to the left of this pontoon. Didn't really find anything in particular there. I just took the marker float out and just found a bit of harder bottom than what was around it. So I've put a bit of bait around that one, crumbed up boilie. But what I did is I washed out the boilies, and then I've been washing out since I got here, these ones, and then just got my hands in and just mushed the whole lot up. So I've got basically fine boilie crumb, whole boilies, half boilies, bits of boilie, some salmon oil in there, some of the proven baits, seafood glug in there, and it is the proven baits monster berry. So yeah, I'm hoping now that I'm on the fish, I can let the bait do its job. Hopefully that'll do the business for me. I'll just, if I can get a fish, I'll feel a lot better. I feel a lot better about the situation. So yeah, let's hope it comes sooner rather than later. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you with a fish. If not, I shall update you in the morning. I shan't be unpacking everything, just in case I need to have a move. But yeah, I'll give you an update soon. First fish, 34, just under 34, mirror on proven baits, pop up, match the hatch, on a Ronnie. I'm struggling to hold the fish at the moment because I hooked myself in the ankle and it's all swollen up. So I'm going to try and lift him up for you. Just under 34, off the mark. Relieved now. So hopefully I can have a few more. Oh, I'm gonna get him back.
Kieran's in again. So just for the viewers at home that don't know, in the night Kieran had his first fish.
How heavy was it, Kieran?
Smidge under 34.
Smidge under 34 he's had, and now he's in again, just about to go for breakfast. And it looks like he's got a cracking tench on. What a morning for it. Nice dark tench. Hello everyone, so here we are going into night number 7. This is the last night we're going to do here. It hasn't been an easy week. This is the first bit of cloud we've really had all week. It's not been easy at all. I'm quite lucky. I've had 5 fish. I've had the biggest being 60. I've had a 48, a 46, 36 and a 28, so I've had 5 fish, which I can't grumble at really, but I would have preferred to have had a few more. But I've been quite lucky with the size of mine being high 40s and a 60, where some other people have been here and they've just caught 30s this week, so I am quite lucky. So yeah, I'm just going to say there's the lake for the last evening. Beautiful place. There's the peg. And hopefully we'll have another fish later on, because a lot of the fish have come at the night here. So over and out. Everything's packed away. This is the last night. So I'm sleeping under the stars. I pick you up at quarter to 7, which is early. I thought I would have done it a bit later, but it is what it is. So yeah, I've been showing all around that tree line today, but I've just seen 4 shows 20 yards past my spot. So I'm more confident tonight of having a fish than I was last night, and I had one last night, so I'm just hoping I can get into one of the big girls. And hopefully I'll have looked out for you in the morning or in the night. Right, £38. It's the biggest one I've had so far. last night. It's 12 o'clock. Still time. Fish all over me at the minute. Hopefully I can get one of the bigger ones. Right, last night I had a 38 at 11:30 and I thought it was all going to kick off, so I didn't go to sleep till about 2:30, staring at the rods, watching them beef away under the stars. Didn't get anything, and then I had a 20 this morning, and I'm closing my account with 25 mirror, about a 20 common, 34 mirror and a 38 mirror.
So yeah, I haven't caught in the last 2 days. I've closed my account with 5 fish. So I had a 36 mirror, a 46 common, lovely fish, weren't it, that common?
Yeah.
And then I had the Boston 60, the big 60 pounder, followed by a 28, which is probably one of the smallest fish out all week, and then followed that up with a nice 48.
Oh, what a session.
Nice 48.
That's awesome.
So can't grumble at 5 fish. It hasn't been
The
easy.
size of them.
What?
I said the size of them apart from one.
Yeah, they're all good size to be
Fucking
fair.
hell.
So yeah, closing my account.
That's Carpy. Right then, viewers, we're going to do a rating of Cretelakes complex.
And how our week has gone, and what our thoughts are on the facilities, the fishing, the food. Also, we'll highlight how the journey's been if you want.
Yeah, go on then.
Okay then.
Out of 10, what would you say the food is?
Food, I think it's okay. There's a lot of complaints about the food, but I would eat a dead cat. I'm not fussy with food. I think it's about 100 quid for the week, and for that you get a full English every day. Cups and teas, orange juice, blackcurrant, cereal, as much as you want, toast, and then at 5 o'clock in the evening you get a salad bar, a main meal and a dessert, and you get that every single day. Breakfast at 9, evening meal at 5. For the money, absolutely fantastic. Beats cooking and cleaning in the bivvy, that's for sure.
Yeah, what out of 10?
Out of 10, give it an 8.
Yeah, I'd say 7. 7, 8, yeah. 7, 8. It's not the best, but it's survivable.
It's like school dinner food, school food,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, but no turkey twizzlers.
Yeah.
Right, showering and washing facilities.
I think there's 3 showers on the complex to share amongst 40 anglers. I never really.
It's not that. It's never full, is it? I think
No.
I queued once.
I queued once, and that was
For the one
prime
shower
time.
I had.
Yeah, prime time. But no, there's other toilet blocks started around the facilities, but just 3 showers.
I did have one where the shower was cold. It wouldn't go up, but I wasn't too bothered.
Yeah, but it was 40
cold
degrees, mate.
Yeah, so I was alright with that. What else have we got?
Power, so there's power points all around the lakes now, which is a good thing. Also, there's the main charging facility where the cafe is, so yeah, that was good.
Yeah, you got about 20 sockets in the cafe, yeah. And USB connections if you forget your plug.
Yeah,
so
you
you're
do.
alright with that.
You're also supplied with buckets, unhooking mats. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, but the unhooking mats, there was a few swims where there wasn't unhooking mats, and the unhooking mats are a bit old.
They need
probably need freshening.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a bit of a moan. And the fishing, what would you say?
Fishing was very hard this week. We had high temperatures, barely no cloud whatsoever. I've been there 4 or 5, that was my 5th time there, and most of the time you average about 10 to 20 fish a week, but we're only averaging 4 or 5 this week now, so it weren't the greatest week for fishing, but that's why it's called fishing and not catching, eh, Kieran?
Yeah, it was difficult for me at the start, but I think I pulled it together towards the end to make it worthwhile.
Yeah.
So overall, I think it was an excellent trip.
Oh, also the journey. So Cretelakes is approximately 2.5 hours from Calais. Going there because we travelled through the night. We're lucky if we seen 50 cars, was it?
Yeah.
Absolutely flew there, and the same now. We're heading back. If you want to turn the camera around, just turn the phone around. You can show the viewers. Look, this is what French roads are like.
there's no traffic. It's not like the M6 back at home.
They're all toll roads, aren't they?
Yeah, so we have got to pay 17 quid to be on this road, but we're on it for the entire journey, other than 10 minutes at the start, 10 minutes at the end. Really easy to get to. I wish I could say the same for the English side. When we get over at Dover, we've got to go around London and then up the M4.
Should be alright though, Saturday.
Yeah, as long as there's not a major football event on or something.
Yeah. So overall a good trip?
Yeah,
Yeah.
tops up the tan as well. So, yeah.
Topped up the belly.
Tops up the belly, Jesus Christ, we've done nothing but eat and drink for a week. Barely moved. The most I've moved was when I was walking to go and get my dinner.
But that was it?
Yeah, didn't switch pegs. Kieran, you went in 3 different pegs, didn't you?
Yeah, 3 different swims. I caught in every move, didn't I?
He caught in every move. I would have moved myself, but because I had that 60 on the first day, I kind of thought, sod it, feet up, I'm going to enjoy this now, relax, sunbathe. But probably should have moved around the lake a bit more for some more fish. But I was catching one a night as well, so, or one every other night, so I didn't really have no reason to move.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been a very good trip. I'll show him the windmills, Kieran. These are
The
everywhere.
windmills. Yeah, the wind turbines, I've got loads in France.
Absolutely loads of them. Maybe we should take a leaf out of there, but
Yeah. Right, that's it then. It's been a good trip, and we'll see you again sometime.
au revoir, Francois.
Guest appearance from Matthew. Lovely.
See you next time.
Now that's Carpy.
That's Carpy.